Welcome. In a previous video I talked about how to install Windows Subsystem for Linux using Ubuntu on Windows 10. I'll put a link to that video down in the description. In this video I'm going to talk about how to search for packages on the command line. So first I'll go into Bash. I'll just go down to my search, I'll type Bash. We have that up and running. I'll type CD to go to my home directory. I'll clear the screen. So this may be known if you're like a Linux expert, but if you're in Windows and you're just learning this stuff, this is kind of for you. So what you want to type is sudo space app space dash cache space search space, and then we want the package we're looking for. So I want to find a text-based web browser. So I do know there's one called W3M. So I'll hit enter here. It'll ask for my password. And this gave us a list of browsers. So I see W3M right here. And I want to see if there's any other browsers. Well, I see in the description here it says www, so that might be good search criteria. So I'll clear my screen. I'll press up to go to my last command. And this time I'll search for www. I'll hit enter. So this searches a lot of things, and that found a lot of, I don't know, they maybe had www somewhere in the description. So I just want to look at the names. So what I'm going to do is pipe that. So I'll do the pipe command and then grep. And this is like a filter, and then I'll type www again. This is case sensitive. If you want lowercase, you can type -i, or if you want case insensitivity. If you want lowercase, you just type it in lowercase. But I'll just do uppercase here. I'll actually clear my screen and do that again. So while not every browser is going to say www browser, you see that's kind of common here. So we have W3M, we have elinks here. That's info to www, surf raw, there's a couple different ones. So I want to install this W3M. I'll type sudo space app space install space and then W3M, and I'll hit enter. Then I'll type yes. Okay, that's finished installing. I can type W3M to open it up. Looks like this one needs a URL, so I'll type W3M https://www.rickmakes.com. I'll hit enter, and here we have my website. So I can go down here to, let's see, how do I navigate? FFmpeg notes. Oops. I'm not completely sure how to use this. My first experience with the web was actually using a text-based browser called Lynx. And it worked similar to modern browsers. You could hit the spacebar and things like that. So let's see if I can figure out how to quit out of here. Do I want to exit? Yes. Okay. So I was just using that as an example. I don't know why you'd want a text-based browser on a Windows machine, but it was a good thing I could just kind of figure out. So I'll clear my screen. I don't really want that, so I'll type sudo space app space remove space W3M. I'll hit enter. I'll say yes. And now we've removed it. So I'll clear my screen. So that's all for this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate it if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.